You better work.
You better work, cover girl, work it girl, give us world, do your thing on the runway, work,
Alright, I've had probably one of the worst weeks of my life. Anyway, let's do some hair. That's gonna be a hiding spot? Okay. I'm getting my blow dryer, just FYI. You absolutely must forgive me. Like I've said, this has been a week, child. I'm talking about, I walked off work and everything. Didn't even know if I had a job the next day and didn't care. Anyway, that's all over now. Now it's time for some hair therapy that I started at the beginning of the week. So my hair was originally brown, obviously, but then I dyed it auburn at the ends. So of course, as soon as I dye it a bright reddish color, I see a black color that I want to get, and I want to get braids. And of course, as soon as you get braids and you color your hair, now you got to figure out how to match the color. I ain't got time for that. Just dye it back black. So I got it in 4 sections. So I washed it yesterday when I got home. I put these braids on the air dry overnight. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry section by section, and then get started, I guess. I told you I'm about to blow dry. You better get the hell on. All right, you see this machine? I know you see this machine. Okay, that's what I thought. Nothing dangerous about that. All right, girl, I ain't gonna hold you. I damn near passed out in here with all the smoke. Whew. So, we will go, what we're gonna do is some medium pick and drop braids. Never done that before, but we're gonna do it today. So, what it is, all these combs. Oh, I know you need this one for parting, but this one just be the one. I don't know why, I just be the one. You know. Gotta set the mood, girl.
House meeting, you need to bitch her. Oh, TC, come here. I need that. Bitch, you don't know how to fight.
Apparently, I'm the only dummy. Sorry, I'm so close. You don't know how to use this mirror correctly. Am I supposed to face this way? I'm supposed to face maybe this way.
That is not cool.
And ain't no way I'm trying to do this and record. I can't. I just be slow sometimes, y'all. Don't do me. Let me back y'all up because y'all hella close. Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to part. Usually, you know, we'll do the sides and part that out the way. I think, should I do that? Anyhow, the video did it. But I don't be following directions. That's why shit don't be going right. Yes, I do have some alopecia over here on the side, which I would grease my scalp, but with my shea butter, but real quick, but like I don't really want my hair to be super slick. So when I braid, I don't braid this part anymore. That was part of why it was still coming out. So that always stays out and it just gets slicked back. That's life. That's what happens when you start doing your hair too early, trying to be grown, because you don't like the style your mama was doing. You was trying to be cute. So I think I just re-pierced my industrial ring, which I did myself. And it's getting in the way and it's still sore. These take literally like a year to heal. It's been almost a year. And then my ass will go and re-pierce it like a brilliant person. So I'll put myself through the pain all over again. Perfect irony. Irony's my name, by the way. Yes, seriously. My parents actually. By the way, guys, get you one of these. Hold on, wait. Get you one of these stands. If you be braiding hair, get you one. It has multiple layers. Very, very helpful. You can make it as tall or as short as you want. That's all. Y'all nosy. Shadow. Shadow. Hi, baby. Anybody have cats? It's my babies. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna go pre-part and braid this and finish this part, and I'll be back. So I thought I was done. I'm about to do something, and I was like, gonna brush it out some, and then I realized I missed one. And that's good because now I can show you the way that I did it. This is such a crazy angle. But that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, if I never showed you, I have like this body wave here. Found on Amazon. Lord, it's already hot in here. I just cleaned my counters too. So I pre-braided my braids and then just crocheted in the hair and then braided it. I'll try and show you this thing. Is that on my hair? Is that on my hair? Hang time! So anyway, I braided it, and then, you know, I mean, y'all seen this method, and I realized after I did it that I'd seen it before too. So. And then the way I've been leaving it out is just pulling it through, of course, evening it out. And then keeping this piece, and then just braiding this together. Split it into two. And then just braid this all the way down to the end of my hair. And then knot the ends. And that's what I did. I'm wondering if I'm supposed to, if it's okay to brush this every day, or if, because I don't want to comb out the knots, you know, but I guess, you know, I've just been brushing from the bottom up as you should do anyway, or if I should just finger comb, but I don't want no tangles. So, all right, I'm coming back. So, I'll just braid down to the end. That little piece, obviously we all know that. Hopefully this lasts for a while. I do 3 knots just because 2 just be feeling like it'll play games with you. Brush. So So, you know, obviously since I let that out, then now I have the loose hair, which is giving the effect that we were looking for. So yeah, I'm just kind of, and if I do brush up here, I kind of tilt the brush so I don't yank too hard. Because the majority of it is, of the length is a lot of my hair. So far, it's pretty nice hair. I split it down the middle so I can have me a cute little. And then here, I didn't braid too tight, so I had to flip it over. Still getting caught in my earring. So, do a couple cute styles. I think it gave me the desired look I was looking for. It's not too thin, not too thick. Gives you the freedom of braids and kind of loose hair. I like it. So it's been about a week and my hair's been up. This is it, I guess kind of down. It's kind of straight because I've had it in 2 French braids. So it's not as wavy, which is fine. So I'm just getting ready to go to work. Initially I plan on just kind of wearing it down the middle, but I obviously can part it to go the other direction if I want. I just sprayed some oil sheen and water in it. So, oh, I need to do my edges, girl. But I'm about to do that. So I can do that look. So I have my brush. And as far as like maintenance and like, that's also why I kept it braided, to keep it from tangling, because y'all know how synthetic hair get. Synthetic hair will ruin your day. It'll be Monday all week. So, do my little edges real quick. I have some of that basking leather gel. I mean, I've seen the reviews and everything. This leaves residue on my edges every time. Every time, so. And sometimes it's just holding a little too much. So I'm just gonna use my regular, this lady. And I think I'm actually gonna put my hair up in a ponytail because like I said, I'm going to work. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to go to work, so we just gonna do a ponytail today. It was kind of bushy, so I just got some water and sprayed it down. I don't like it looking super bushy. Like I said, I don't like big hair. So that's gonna be it. And I'm finish my green tea, girl. Take my ass to work. Y'all have a good day. Hit me up with any questions or comments down in the comments section, and let me know what you would like to see as far as hairstyles, because I like to change mine almost every month. So if you got any ideas or tips of how maybe I could have done this a little better or easier, let me know. I'll holler at you in the comments. Bye.